Don't do it. Don't do it at home.
We're trying to encourage more female riders because this is...
I hope I won't miss anything. I hope it's gonna be a good day. So, see you in the Matchbooks. Righty tighty, lefty loosey.
Nothing will explode.
Okay.
One.
Oh, split.
I'm the test dummy.
Rest in peace, man.
Sup, it's Saturday, and long story short, I'm going today to Matchbook Customs, and I will be doing my brakes there. I'll be changing brake pads and I think brake fluid. Matt was kind enough to let me walk there so they can keep an eye on me and probably stress me out a little bit, just for fun. So, out to Matchbook Customs, to custom trouble over there, and I'll see you later.
Yeah.
Is it steak something? Yeah. Oh, did I mess up the one?
It wasn't quite right, I wouldn't have
You wouldn't trust it.
Pull this from me?
First things first, you've got to crack that off, so slacken that off, and then you've got to take those two off there, and then
Yeah.
the caliper will come away.
Alright,
Okay, they're a bit tight.
the screen, yeah. Okay, so I'm having first go with this. Nah. Give me Oh my gosh, yeah. Got the second one, yeah. Oh.
What we need to do now is, because of the type of pad you've got,
Yeah.
we need to open the pistons as wide as we possibly can.
Oh, okay. So can I?
So you've got to basically stick your screwdriver. I'll show you shortly. So the easiest way at the minute is to squeeze and twist like that, but you need to get them as far open as possible.
Okay.
There.
That will fall out, ain't it?
No, that's why they're paying the ass.
Oh, because I think you have to stick under it.
Yeah. You need to, from that end, kind of work them out a little bit. Sometimes you have to kind of knock it from the top. So you've got to push them out this way. Right, too much. We're going to clean the pin.
Okay.
So we'll let that hang there a second.
So I need the metal brush. With little supervision of where he is, Matt. Yeah. I got the brake pads out, and hopefully nothing will explode.
Nothing will explode.
Okay.
And that's that way. So I'd stick with that one first. That's that side, yeah?
Yeah. Okay. So I need a
Bit of
knob
copper,
and plug.
yeah, bit of copper grease around there.
Okay. Okay, brake pads are out. I got new ones, already Cooper greased them, so I nailed this part. Okay, so we got one in, the easy one, done by the boss. And there are jobs for me now. I have new people coming in. I won't fall out.
Well, that was easy.
Easy.
Easy peasy. Right, now before that goes out, you just need to pop that down so nothing's on. Just push that in. So that side.
It's not. Right.
Yeah, so put your bolt in there loosely.
No worries. Pads are in. Now I'm sticking bolt loosely, as Matt said. I got pretty gloves as well, because I got pretty nails. So the front is almost done. look at those beauties. Pretty new brake pads. Done by me. So I got brake pads in caliper, put it on disc.
Front caliper mounting bolts, 51.5 meters.
It's on, but we're moving now to fancy tools.
These aren't fancy, these are basic.
For me it's fancy, I got like screwdrivers at home, so
What did I say, 51.5?
yeah. They will never click. Oh my gosh.
Does that feel? Difference between a fitter and a mechanic, you should know how tight that is. Yeah, that's not too tight. Yay! Yep.
Okay, now go.
One. There you go. A little bit more.
Okay.
And then the middle.
That looks nice. Hope it don't work.
And don't take the pin all the way out.
Just because they will go that, yeah. Okay, so pin is loose now. And the struggles begins. I can't move that.
So I'll take that out.
I have to now push those back to make it easier for me for later.
How's the brakes going?
So far so good,
Yeah.
I think.
Front's done. Front's done.
Front's done. Wicked. Well
We're
done.
going to ask Matt later to have a run
Have a run.
to see if it works.
Oh yeah, mate. I'm the tester, mate.
Rest in peace, man.
Yeah. So just nip that in. We're trying to encourage more female riders because there doesn't seem to be too many. They tend to be passengers. So
You're the only female rider.
Yeah, I can't try to
There's a
drive a
couple.
car.
Yeah, she can't drive you.
really?
Yeah.
I really saw. She can ride a bike, but she she rides it more than I do.
And that's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Pretty cool though.
Okay, now I
You've got
have
your priorities right. So on this, it's like the back one up, so it's out, so you've got space to go.
doing some sketchy stuff here.
Come down a bit.
Oh, I messed up something. I don't know why.
No, that is just a bit awkward. So you see this bit here, and you've got to sit your pads into the metal shoe. But because of the way these pads are thicker than your other ones, this one's going a little bit tight because we didn't get the pistons quite back as far. So I'm just trying to tweak it so it gives us more space. There we go.
Changing a brake fluid. We're starting with the rare one and opening this. Pretty tightly, like loosely. That's not actually stressing anymore because of the brake fluid. I hope I won't mess anything. It's quite yellowish or something. It's dirty.
Yeah,
Looks
so
like mud.
So what you usually do, sorry, excuse me, is check moisture content.
Okay.
So this is a
That's what you do usually when you do the service, ain't you?
So you're checking to see how much. So yours isn't bad.
Yeah.
So if it's low amber or green, you're all right for next service. But usually if it's higher than that, then we change it automatically.
Okay.
We do. But man.
Get it on there. Hey, there's people watching.
Yeah.
Get on there.
Come on, get on. There you go. Right, that's on. Okay.
Okay.
So this is an automatic bleeder, but we'll use it how I usually use it with Sam. Grab you a spanner. Okay, so now we move around to the other side.
So we got front brake, rear brake done, and let's hope that works well for Matt, because he's test rider of that. Yeah, he's very happy. And now we move to the front, which is more tricky, and that's why we need two people, which is me and Matt. I think I will have the easier job, I'm pretty sure.
The top off, be careful you don't spill it anywhere. Suck out the yeah, so fill that up. Right, so if you spill this, you've got to be really careful with paint and stuff, so you do spill stuff.
Okay. Will like paint start to strip straight away?
Not immediately.
Or like you can wipe it enough good with like soapy water so it stops?
Just water. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, so as we tested it earlier, so it's hydroscopic, so it dilutes with water. So if we were to accidentally splash a tank, for example, with fluid, we would then pour a couple of litres of water over it.
Okay.
Because even the bits that we can't wipe off, that disperse with the water.
Okay.
Okay, so this bit, again, don't let this go empty.
Okay.
When I shout on, you slowly squeeze, but then tell me when you want to watch, but tell me when you want.
Okay.
And we'll get to the rhythm, yeah? So on. Let's go for a fast section, so 1.
Looks good. Yeah, that was a good idea.
No, I meant to spray it on the rack and then wipe it. It's fine, just wipe all that off.
Sorry. So yeah, this is brake cleaner, which I just all over my tank because I was sure that's water. Don't do it. Don't do it at home. So it looks like we finished and everything's alright. Matt will be going for a ride. He's alive! So, hope you enjoyed that. So hi, here's an update after around 200 miles. Everything seems to work perfectly fine. Bike is still in one piece, I'm in one piece, so we can consider it as a success. Yeah, I hope you like the video, so like it, leave a comment what you think, and yeah, big thank you for Matchbook Custom for allowing me to work in the garage. Guys, give it a follow, Matchbook Custom on IG and on YouTube as well, and I see you next time.